Hello everybody, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a Pink and Main box. I believe this is the June Crafty Courtyard box, and so I'm excited to open this up. I just got back from a little mini vacation, and so this was waiting for me, so I could not wait to open it up. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. All right, they're always done up with some cute tissue. Oh, and look at that. Okay. All kinds of prettiness in there. So I'm going to set this off to the side and then we'll go through it. All right. All right. Let's start with our card. Oh, that is so stinking cute. You've been occupying my mind is what that says. So here's our card. This is called Ocean Waves. Perfect for summer, right? So yes. Oh, I love it. All right. And then here's our color palette. That's one of the things I love about it is the color palette. They always have something so that way you can go through your stash of goodies that you might have, you know, that you've already been accumulating. You can look for different cardstocks or your Copic markers or your colored pencils or your inks or whatever the case may be. And you can pull out things that would match. But there it is. Love it. And I love that you could take this and you could make it into a card if you really wanted to, because the card, I mean, it's just perfect. I love it. All right, so we'll go through the cardstock to start. All right, so we have a 1/2 inch of sparkle sheet, and look at how gorgeous that is. Oh yeah. It does come off a little bit on your hands, but I don't really mind that too much because, you know, I mean, I work with glitter, so I don't really care. But that is beautiful. So you get a 1/2 sheet of that. And then here we have our cardstocks. I love how she always puts so many beautiful ones in there. So you got a couple of ice rink white. We've got this beautiful pink. Okay, this one's, these are just backwards. So let me just grab those real quick so that I can tell you what their colors are. Maybe I can tell you what their colors are. All right. It does not have, oh, Piglet. That color is Piglet by Basil. And this one is Basil. This one is Granny Smith. This one is just a really pretty brown. Here we have Basil Arroyo. Beautiful. We have this Basil. This one is called Rain. And then this has texture to it, and I love that. This one is the Tahitian Princess. We've gotten that one before, but isn't that color palette beautiful? I love that. So there are your cardstocks and your 1/2 sheet of glitter. Love it, sparkle. Okay, and then I like how they always come in this bag. So this bag is great because you can just shove all your things in there if you're going to be on the go, which this summer I am going to be. I know we shouldn't be traveling too far, but that's why we're traveling in a motorhome. So, all right, we always have all of our stuff right there. Let's just dive right in. I'm going to pull out the paper pack this time because, oh my gosh, I could not be more in love with the style of this. It's kind of sketchy. I love it. Oh my gosh. And again, that color palette is just stunning. So let's pop in. All right. Oh, I love it. So you get 6x6, 24 sheets. And these are double-sided. So here you've got like an overview of your color. I'm so excited. Sorry, I'll calm down. Oh my gosh, look at that. This has little seagulls and little blue crabs. You got little sailboats, and you have, this paper is going to get used like crazy. Lighthouses. So here, I will show you each of them, and then I'll flip them over. So you got the waves. Look at the crabs. I may have to see if they're going to be selling this paper separately because I may just have to go buy more. I'm in love with it. Oh, how pretty. This color palette is stunning. Oh, look at that. Do you ever just get inspired by the paper? Because sometimes I'm telling you, it is, oh, I love these. Oh, look at those cute, cute clouds with the little birds. Oh, I'm sorry to go freak show on you, but I just can't stand it. I love them all. I love them. And we have more stripes. I love this little ocean pattern. Oh, and the little octopus. So cute. It has a little flower and then holding flowers. And the polka dots. This is just speaking vitamin C. It's speaking my language, folks. Telling you. Okay. That does not inspire you like their paper packs always do. I don't know what would. I don't know what would. Okay. Just gotta calm myself down. I know, I'm just... And some of you comment about how my excitement, I'm telling you, it is genuine. It is genuine. Okay, so there's our gorgeous paper pack. Alright, we're gonna pull into some of the... Alright, we also have 4 ice ring envelopes. They usually put those in there, so that's great. So you can make your cards and you already have your envelopes to go. And you could decorate your envelopes too. We've got that. Oh, look at this. Some American Crafts. This is like glitter tape. Yep, glitter tape. Look at that. And it is 4 feet of it. So let's take a look at that glitter tape. See if it'll come out. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I mean, it is like glitter cardstock in tape form. That is beautiful. Mama likey. I may be staying up into the wee hours just creating. That's what I might do. And there's another one. There's 2. So here's another one, and this one's in pink. Check it out. Oh my goodness. Then we've got our 5 ribbons. Oh, and those are so beautiful. I love those polka dots. Oh. And I have said this before, I don't always use ribbon, but one of the things I love to do with the ribbon is, you know, if I've taken my stack of cards, because, you know, I'll make a whole batch of cards, and let's say I want to give some of those away, just tie them up with the beautiful ribbon and everything matches. Matchy matchy. So you get 5 styles, 1 yard of each. Love it. Okay. Here is the glitter pack. Look at, they're not glitter, the sequin pack. These are like some flat back, yeah, it's just your sequin mix. And I love this because they are basically clear, or silvery clear, whatever. And then there's a couple different sizes in there. So that is great. I love it when there's different sizes because it just kind of gives the eye something pretty different to look at other than just the same size all over the place. Not that that's bad either, but... And then we have our enamel dots. These are gorgeous. These colors, oh my goodness, I just... Okay, so you get all of these. These are your enamel dots. I forgot to grab out the flare. That's usually what I start with, but oh my gosh, it's a little crab. Is he not the cutest? Check him out, little flare button. He's adorable. Okay. Then we have our stencil. This is an exclusive stencil. This one is like a wave pattern. I love that. I think that is great. And I know this is nice and thin, but I will show you, if you don't know what Pixie spray is, we'll probably be using some Pixie spray on this. And then I might show you some little tips and tricks on how to use these particular stencils when they're like this. But oh my gosh, this is fantastic. I don't have any stencils like this one, so I love that. Looking forward to that. And then we're going to get right into, here's our die. It says, thankful for you. I think that's what it says. No, thinking of you. Goodness, I cannot read. Thinking of you. And it looks like it is the outline as well as the really fine detail of thinking of you. So I will cut that out in the video, of course. And you will definitely see that because that is beautiful. And I'll show you some tips on how to get those going too. And here is our stamp set. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is so precious. So you've got your awesome octopus, which I was admiring the whole time. You have a little sun, you have a little moon. Here you have this cute little scene with your sailboat and like a little cottage, and that doesn't really look like a lighthouse, but it could be, I suppose. But you've got your little ocean scene. I love that. You've got some seashells and a starfish. You've got an anchor. You have the tiny little crab. And then here you have your lighthouse with the little cottage and the ocean and this cute little, I mean, it's just a darling little scene. You've been occupying my mind. Sometimes all you need is a good dose of vitamin C. I love this kit. I say that every month. And it's true every month, but I love this. I cannot wait to get started. Oh my goodness. I'll probably start tonight just stamping all these out and then coloring them off screen because, you know, it's mostly about the ideas. But yes, if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you haven't already done so, hit the little notification button. That is the little bell. It lets you know when I have a video coming up because I will definitely have a bunch of cards to show you with this one. Oh, this is so great. I love it. Anyway, all right. I will see you very soon in another video, everybody. Bye.